We'll guide you through how to delete a Bitmoji on Snapchat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to delete your Bitmoji on Snapchat, perhaps you want to go and have a fresh start, so you want to go and delete it and then start again from fresh, or you just want to go and delete it and keep it blank. It's going to be up to you. But you may have gone and made your Bitmoji a long time ago and it's a bit childish, or there's another reason why you want to go and do this. Do not worry, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So what you need to do is go and head to the top left, whether that's on the camera page, or we could come to the chats page as well. Then you'll go and see the current one there. Now, just to know, when we go and delete this, you won't be able to go and undo this. Of course, you could go and create the Bitmoji and make it to look exactly the same, but you can't directly go and restore to your old one. But you can always make it again. So what we then do is go and tap on it like so, and this will bring you to the profile page. Now from here, what we need to do is go and head to the top right, and you're going to go and find the option for the gear or cog icon. We can go and see it here as well, but go and tap there. Now this will go and open up the settings. So I'm going to go and guide you through this and also just go and make it clear how you can go and find the setting in the future, as sometimes Snapchat do go and reorganize things here. So currently, if we go and scroll down, you want to come into the section app and privacy, and you want to come and find my app at the top of the section. And then in here, you should go and find Bitmoji. If you struggle to go and find it, you can always come to the main settings and use the magnifying glass in the top right, which is the search button. And then what you can do is go and type in Bitmoji, like so. And what you can do is go and tap there, and you're going to go and see it here. You can change it, edit it, choose a selfie, but at the bottom, we've got remove, which is going to go and delete it. So we can tap that there and then confirm a decision. It's going to permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in my wardrobe. So press that there, and that's it. Now, if we come back, and you're going to go and see it's now gone. As you can see, we've now successfully gone and deleted it. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day. I look forward to help you again in the future with more help.